Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。为什么要因为通常肚子饿或者是闻到很香的食物会过年最好的一点就是可以吃到很特别的美食啊。
那当然咯。
Yes, during a new year, not only we get a vacation, but we get to taste some of the most special food in the Chinese culture. And I'm sure in the Hakka culture, they have something special for New Year's time. 请问客家人有什么特别在过年期间会吃的一些食物呢？
过年期间会吃的东西其实很多啦，但是呢，过年前跟对元宵节那时候呢，我们听说会是汉拌宴，
是汤圆吗？
就是汤圆。
These are rice balls, but these are Hakka rice balls. 它是里面包咸，还是说是它的外面的汤是咸的？
应该是说客家人的汤圆大部分都是没有包，里面都是没有包东西的。
All right. So there's no fillings in the rice balls, but you actually make the soup on the salty side, as we call it 咸汤圆。怎么说呢？
汉拌宴。
汉拌宴 ，OK， 汉 that means salty， 拌宴 is the rice balls。好，那通常会加一些什么料在里面呢？
里面的料就很多啦。比方说给香菇
，that's mushroom， 香菇对不对？
香菇对。
Okay.
还有呢就是哈密，
就是哈密，
虾米
对不对？
然后呢还会加那个捏菜。
猜
不到了吧？
某一种菜的感觉。
对，某一种菜。
什么菜？
就吃火锅一定会加的菜
啊，当鹅吗？
对，茼蒿。
Those are special. Yes. Some people call it the chop suey green, and some people call it the crown daisy. And it's a must when we have hot pot, and it's also a must when you cook up the soup-based Hakka rice balls. 也就是当鹅嘛，就是茼蒿嘛。
茼蒿菜，捏菜，
要把这个菜给捏出来。
对，捏菜。
So some 捏菜, that's again crown daisy, some 香菇, and also some 虾米,
哈密,
those are little shrimps, all right? 通常这个煮大概半个钟头应该就够了吧？
其实很简单，就是你把它用就一定要爆香嘛，先爆香过呢，然后你里面也可以加那个三层肉猪肉，然后呢把它再加高汤，再把汤圆放下去就好了。
Yes, that's right. You can also add some meat, some 猪肉 pork.
猪肉三层肉
or 三层肉 OK, that means 三层肉，这样子就是很美味的一个客家咸汤圆。
对，客家汉拌宴。
And now you know how to cook up this dish. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.